Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Dallas, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we're going to talk about deck and patio lighting and how to make your space safer and easier to use after dark without overcomplicating things. When most people think about deck lighting, they think about how it looks. That's important, but safety comes first. At night, stairs, edges, and changes in level are the biggest risk areas. The job of good lighting is to show those clearly so no one trips or missteps when the sun goes down. If you start with safety and then add mood on top, you end up with a system that actually works. Let's talk about where light is needed most. First, stairs. Every step should be easy to see, either with small step lights, lights in the risers, or fixtures on nearby posts that wash light across the treads. Second, edges and transitions, like the outer edge of the deck or where a deck meets a patio. Third, doorways and main walkways so people can move in and out without fumbling in the dark. Once those are covered, you can fill in softer lighting around seating or railings. Now let's hit wiring and safety. Outdoor lighting needs outdoor-rated fixtures, proper connections, and protected runs for wiring. That means using boxes and covers made for exterior use and keeping wires out of places where people can trip over them or where weed trimmers can hit them. Low-voltage systems are common on decks because they reduce electrical risk and work well with small fixtures along steps and rails. A simple transformer and well-planned wiring routes can go a long way. The type of deck surface matters too. On composite decks from brands like Trex or TimberTech, we pay attention to how fixtures attach so we don't damage the boards or weaken the structure. Fixtures designed to work with these systems usually mount to posts, rails, or fascia instead of cutting big holes through the main deck surface. The result is a cleaner look and fewer potential water entry points. As a homeowner, you don't have to design a complex lighting system from scratch. Start by walking your deck at night with a flashlight. Notice where you feel unsure of your footing, where it's easy to miss a step, and where you'd like a bit of gentle light near seating. Those spots are your priority list. From there, you can decide if you want simple solar caps, a basic low-voltage kit, or a more complete setup with step lights and rail lights tied to a timer. At Tough Deck Builders Dallas, we like to plan lighting while we're designing the deck, not after it's finished. That way, wiring, structure, and fixtures all work together. You can reach our team at 469-778-4942 or visit toughdeckbuildersdallas.com if you'd like help adding lighting to a new deck plan or upgrading what you already have. When you think about your own project, ask 3 simple questions. First, can people clearly see every step and edge after dark? Second, are wires and fixtures installed in a way that feels solid and safe? Third, do I want lights to come on automatically or only when I flip a switch? Your answers will guide the right lighting layout for your deck or patio. Thanks for listening to Deck Builders Dallas. In our next episode, we'll talk about building around pools and how to pick surfaces that handle water and bare feet.